This city is always full of surprises. When you share them with the world, they become parts of the aesthetic that people may chase for their entire life. There's something about one image which stands out among the rest. One of a kind, telling colourful stories with simply black and white. This is it. It's much more than a cute creature. It's the symbol and mark around the corners and alleyways in the middle of the crowded city centre. They need us as much as we need them to tell the unspeakable connections between human and nature. We are free to interpret the beauty of life. Natural landscapes are well preserved, regardless of dramatic urbanisation. Forests, mountains and rivers make a perfect habitat for every kind of rare species, or rather, giant pandas. The complex geomorphic type and different natural conditions of Su'er-Chan Natural Belt offered exotic animals nothing short of miraculous. 8 million years evolution of giant pandas witnessed the coexistence between wild and civilization. Because it's ancient, it has to be preserved. Their numbers were brought back from the brink. Now we are willing to help and share our stories with these living fossils.
Sichuan and Chengdu is a biodiversity hotspot, and it's a very amazing area that hasn't been studied so well at the time. So exciting. Good boy, G. We start training the pandas when they're around 1 year old. This is a really interesting time in the life of the pandas because that's when they start eating solid food. It helps us manage them better so that we can get very close to him. So watch. Jimmy, home. Good boy.
Gifts of giant pandas marked some of the first cultural exchanges between China and the world. Ever since the West first learned of giant pandas in the 19th century, this fantastic animal has travelled across 20 countries around the globe and has become a measure of how much they have captured the world's imagination. And, of course, the imagination of the utopia which gave birth to these beloved creatures. Someone in the city has to be a storyteller.
它有人还是很有灵气啊！你如果要拍熊猫呢，你只有爱它，你才会更加专注。我看到很多外国友人，他们不远万里来到成都，来到四川观赏大熊猫，而且追寻大熊猫这个终极。他们对大熊猫这个热情哈，可以说称得上狂热2个字。
Nice life, eh?
这些年哈，也要到很多国家去办熊猫摄影展。通过观看熊猫，也体验了我们成都的生态之美、自然之美。大熊猫就是一个生活之美的体现。
Be part of the city. Be part of the nature. The beauty of Panda that has yet to reveal all of its secrets. It awaits you right here in Chengdu, a park city full of green ways. With the construction of China Giant Panda National Theme Park, you will know that black and white more than meets the eye.